This is a full unboxing and review of an Amazon Basics luggage. We purchased the Hardside Luggage to protect valuables. It is a spinner luggage, and the larger 30-inch luggage version that is an expandable suitcase to accommodate more items. We chose this one because it was the largest check-in suitcase that had dimensions allowed for international flights. As you will see, the suitcase is split into two main sections with a few pockets, but that is about it. Overall, it survived multiple flights flawlessly, so we would highly recommend this suitcase. It was durable and relatively lightweight. So here is the full unboxing, so you can get a good look at how it is packaged, as well as multiple views of the suitcase, both inside and out. It is packaged in a box that is pretty much the exact size of the suitcase, so if you are using a box cutter to open it, make sure you are careful as not to scratch it. With overall dimensions of about 21 inches by 12 inches by 31 inches, it is right at the maximum size for check-in luggage. In fact, we did not have any issues getting what we needed into the suitcase. Instead, we ran into the weight going over 50 pounds before we could completely fill the case. That being said, for the size of the suitcase, as well as its hard-shell durability, the Amazon Basics luggage is fairly lightweight, and we were able to easily lift it out of the box with one hand. With it out of the box, you can get an idea of the size of the suitcase. It was covered in a protective plastic bag. To remove it from the bag, we had to flip it upside down, as the bag opening was on the side with the spinner wheels. As you can see, the suitcase has 4 double spinner wheels that allow for smooth maneuverability in any direction. We found that the wheels spin smoothly, and it was nice that they were double wheels, not single, which are more stable. As you can see as we spin the suitcase, they travel quite easily. We brought it to a small town in Mexico, and dragged it across cobblestone streets without any problems. On one side, there are 4 black feet to make it easy to sit on that side. On the opposite side is the handle, and as you can see there is a handle on top as well. We didn't pull it out here, but the telescoping handle came out easily and locked into place for easy wheeling. One thing to note as we open the suitcase up to show you the inside, is that the suitcase does not have a TSA lock, and the zipper pulls do not have a specific hole designed for a lock either. So while you can still put a lock on, it would just go through the zipper pulls themselves. This luggage comes in a variety of colors as well, which was nice because it was easy to find our suitcases at baggage claim. Fully open, you can see there are basically 2 main compartments, one in each side of the suitcase. Typical of most hardshell luggage pieces, the bottom side you see here has a strap that can be used to secure items in that side of the suitcase. It is the more spacious side of the suitcase, so you can pack it about an inch higher than the edge, and even more if the suitcase is expanded. The one side also has a zippered pouch for storing small items that you want easy access to. Moving to the top portion of the suitcase, we find a fully zippered panel with 2 zippered pouches, so you can pack that side, zip it up, and flip it closed without items falling out. With the zipper panel, this side packs a bit shallower than the edge of the suitcase side, as the zipper is about half an inch down from the suitcase side edge. We'll close the suitcase back up and zip it. And then we will unzip the expander area so you can see what that looks like. As mentioned, the suitcase already packs a bunch, so we didn't use it during our trips, but it is a nice option to have in case you need the extra space. To expand the suitcase, you just unzip the expander zipper around the entire suitcase. This allows you to get an extra 1 to 2 inches of space, so you can pack even more into the already large suitcase. Overall, we were very happy with this purchase. It is a pretty basic and straightforward piece of luggage, with no major frills, but it is durable and gets the job done. We hope you found this video informative. A link to the product is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.